Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Maritza. I've been doing literacy through art projects, hosted on Facebook Live for a couple of weeks. On Wednesday, I did a Make Your Own Story Dice game, and today I thought it would be fun to do some lawn signs or window posters if you don't have a lawn. I was kind of inspired by this idea because I've been going on a lot more walks recently than I normally would, as I'm sure a lot of people have been doing. And I walk past all these houses with so many lawn signs, and I don't know about you guys, but there are a lot of them where I live. And lawn signs usually are for promoting social action. They can be used for presidential candidates, like my family had a Warren for President sign in their front lawn. They can be used for awareness, like Black Lives Matter lawn signs. I'm sure you guys have seen those before. They can be used to congratulate graduating classes. So when I graduated high school, my parents had a Congratulations Maritza sign in my front lawn. So lawn signs can be used for a lot of things like that. And they can, again, like I said, they can be used to promote social action. I'm sure some of you guys have heard of Greta. She is she's the social activist fighting against climate change. I see a lot of lawn signs that say lead change like Greta, or there is no planet B, and things like that. And since I've been taking a lot of walks, I've seen those signs, but I've also seen a lot of really nice signs that people make themselves. Like the other day I was walking by a house and they had a glass screen door, and on that door there were little signs that people had made themselves saying, "We're all in this together," or "You matter," or "We'll get through this," and things like that. And I thought that that was really nice and kind of gave me inspiration for this project. So I thought that we could kind of branch off from what lawn signs usually are for. Like I'm sure you can make a presidential candidate sign if you want to, but I thought it would be nice to spread some cheer or remind people to stay home or stay 6 feet apart, or thank healthcare workers, or if it's one of your friends' birthdays and they don't get to celebrate because of the time that we're living through. A lot of people have been making signs that say, "Honk, it's so-and-so's birthday." I don't know if you guys have seen the trend where people drive by a friend's house in their car and they honk and wave from their cars to wish them happy birthdays. I did that the other day for my friend Jordan. He turned 20, and I thought that that was a really nice idea. So you can do things like that. And you can also just say something nice, like "have a good day," because I'm sure the people that are taking a lot of walks and walking by your houses with signs or posters hanging up in your window or on your front door will think that it's really nice and they'll appreciate it. So my idea was to make a lawn sign. If you don't have a lawn to stick a sign in, that's totally fine. Like I said, you can hang posters up in your windows. Or if you have I know some people have a glass door before opening up to their front door. You can hang it up there just so that people can see it when they're walking past your house, because it's a nice touch. So what I did, I made a couple of options for you guys. I had a Warren sign in my front lawn, and I decided to kind of reuse that and create my own sign. It's a little bit big, so I hope you guys can see it. But I made my own sign. We're all in this together, 6 feet apart. So I thought that was kind of a nice way to spread some cheer, like we're gonna get through this. And it also kind of like a reminder that we need to stay 6 feet apart to stay safe. So for this, I just used a lawn sign that I already had in my front lawn, and I flipped it inside out. And I used white Sharpie to write the words. If you guys don't have a lawn sign, that's totally fine. I also came up with a way for you to show you how to make your own, if you can't reuse one that you already had. This is kind of a small scale example that I made so that I could show you guys how to do it. What I did was I cut out a piece of cardboard, and here are skewers that my mom sometimes uses to make chicken skewers and grill them. So I don't know, these are what they look like. I'm not sure if you guys have those in your house. You can use poles, you can honestly use pencils or something just to be able to stick it into the ground so that it stands up. Here you can see the skewers act as the kind of poles on the lawn signs. To do that, I just stuck them in the cardboard. The cardboard has little holes, so it's kind of easy to put the skewers up there. I added a little bit of tape at the top. Let's see if I can take this out. I added a little bit of tape at the top of the skewer so that it didn't wiggle around, and I just pushed it in a little bit, made sure the two skewers were even so that it could stand up, and this is your lawn sign, and then you can decorate. So I wanted to make this lawn sign, I wanted the background to be white, so I cut out a piece of paper to fit the size of this cardboard piece, and I wrote, "Honk, it's Jordan's 20th birthday," so that I could hang that up or, you know, stick it in his lawn so people know it's his birthday, and honk, so to let him know that people are thinking about him on his birthday, even though he doesn't get to celebrate with his friends. I've seen a lot of these. I think it's really cute. So what I was gonna do was glue this paper that I cut out to fit on this piece of cardboard and glue it down. So, and then, you know, stick it in your lawn when you're done. You can do that, or if you don't want to make a lawn sign, you can also hang this up on your window, or again on the glass screen door if you have that. Doesn't matter, just as long as people can see it. So again, you can make a lawn sign if you like, or you can just make a poster, and honestly, the bigger the better, because when people are walking by, the bigger your sign is, the more likely that they're gonna look at it and be able to read it. Again, I made kind of a small scale version so that I could show you guys how to do it on the Facebook Live. But get creative, get colorful, write something nice, make public service announcements, talk about something that you think is important. You can wish people happy birthday like I did. You can thank healthcare workers. Anything that you want to do, I'm sure people will love to look at it as they're walking by. That is all that I have for now. Again, you're going to need, if you want to do a lawn sign, you're going to need cardboard, some sort of skewer or something to stick it into the ground. You're going to need scissors, you're going to need things to draw with. I have a bunch of really nice markers that I love using for these projects. The more colorful, the better. You can say something nice. You can say something that is important to you. Just share your ideas, because a lot more people are going on walks now. I know that I am, and I'm looking and really enjoying seeing all the different lawn signs and all the different things that are hanging up in people's windows. And I'm sure people that will appreciate the ones that you make too. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you share. I'm going to post written instructions and pictures of my lawn signs on ArtSphere's blog. I'll put a link to that in the description of this video. Please share with us. You can comment underneath this video, or you can leave a comment on the blog. You can share with hashtag #ILoveArtSphere on Instagram, or Facebook, or anything. I really hope to see what you guys make, and I hope you enjoy. Tune in on next Wednesday at 1:30 for the next class. And have a really good weekend, everybody, and stay safe.